How to correctly initialize and set values for an array of address objects in C#. In many C# and ASP.NET applications, you might find yourself needing to work with a collection of objects, such as addresses, that share common properties. An array of objects is a suitable data structure for this purpose. This post will guide you through the process of initializing and setting values for an array of address objects in C#. Understanding arrays in C#. Before diving into object arrays, a quick refresher on arrays. An array is a fixed-size collection that can hold elements of the same type. Once an array is created, its size cannot be changed, but it's an efficient structure when handling a predefined number of elements. Initializing an array of objects. To initialize an array of objects, you first declare the type and size of the array. In our scenario, we're working with address objects, which means we'll need an address class and an array of this type. Let's assume we have an address class defined like this. To declare and initialize an array of address objects, follow these steps. Here, we have declared an array of address objects with a fixed size of 3. Each element in this array is currently null since objects are reference types in C#. Setting values in the object array. To set values for each address element, you can create instances of the address class and assign them to specific positions in the array, like so. Now, each position in the addresses array holds a different address object. You can access and manipulate these objects using their indices. Working with arrays in ASP.NET. In an ASP.NET application, you might use an array of objects to store and manage data related to user addresses, shipping info, or other relevant entity collections. While arrays are useful for fixed-size collections, consider other collections such as list if your dataset size might change dynamically. Conclusion. Correctly initializing and setting values for an array of objects, such as addresses, in C# can enhance your application's data handling efficiency. Arrays provide a solid structure for fixed-size collections, essential for many ASP.NET applications. Ensure that you carefully initialize and populate your arrays to avoid null reference exceptions and other common mistakes. Understanding these fundamental programming concepts will empower you to build more robust and reliable applications in C# and ASP.NET.